Architecture is frozen music, so said Goethe, the German writer. Come and discover a concerto with us.
Hello, I'm Katrin Förster. Based in Germany, I'm excited to be taking you across the world today to South Australia. Here, houses receive a star rating based on their energy efficiency. A new build will usually receive 6 stars. But in a quiet Adelaide suburb, you can find a home that gets maximum rating, 10 stars. Powering this house takes just 3 megajoules a year per square meter. By comparison, a 6-star home would need 83 megajoules per square meter, nearly 30 times as much. This house is developed by SUHO. I spoke to Ruth Nordstrom and Geraldine Petit, the creative minds behind this project. They started with the original 10-star house simulation and progressed from volumetric diagrams to selecting materials and technologies, using a whole new series of simulations. This gave SUHO a clear idea of how to proceed, so they could get manufacturers and partners involved at an early stage. The key to this ultra-efficient house is how it traps heat. In this part of the world, temperatures can fluctuate quite significantly. Every part of the house is designed to keep the temperature inside constant, so residents don't have to spend energy on heating or cooling. Facing north, with a high-pitched roof, the building lets in plenty of natural light. It is also airtight and well insulated with materials that provide thermal mass, like the polished concrete slab flooring, visually striking and energy storing at the same time. The 10-star dwelling is also a smart home with features that actively reduce emissions, such as hybrid solar power and a ventilation system that recovers heat from air in the building exhaust. The system is supported by our ABB-free at-home technology. This is the crucial link between the house's automated features and the residents, who can control it via smartphone, wall unit or voice command. ABB-free at home provides direct feedback on the energy consumption of every appliance, helping users live efficiently. This also applies to the electric vehicle charger outside, where the designers chose the ABB Terra AC wall box. Safe, compact and economical, it is a perfect fit for a sustainable home. Ruth and Geraldine said what makes them proudest is that they would love to live in this house. I can easily see why. It feels like a true home, safe and pleasant, with a strong connection between indoors and outdoors, not to mention the edible garden. Let's hope we see more homes like this one before long. Don't miss our next episode of Frozen Music. Subscribe to our newsletter and follow us around the world. Until then, stay safe.